SuperWowStyle. This is Prachi and this is of course Lyra. She'll be doing the video with me today because she just wants to sit on my lap. I don't know why, she just won't leave me now. So today's video is going to be a a set of DIYs which I'll be trying out for the first time. They have all been recommended by my subscribers and I'm really excited to try them out. So without further ado, let's get started. So starting with the first DIY, which is coming from a subscriber. She calls herself Glove Hands. So hi Glove Hands, hi Glove Hands. Okay, so this DIY is extremely interesting because it first works as a face mask and also it works as a scrub. It's completely natural and sounds really good for the skin. Before using this DIY, however, we'll be using a cruelty-free product, Lyra. So yeah, cruelty-free product. So Lyra, go baby, go. Please jump. Okay. So guys, what I'm using is a foaming face wash. Now this particular one is from Good Vibes. There's a Good Vibes Tea Tree foaming face wash which is also great for those who have acne prone skin. It's extremely calming and gentle. One thing I want to really stress upon guys is that whenever you're using a scrub, if you're washing your face before using a scrub, you need to use a very gentle non-irritating face wash. So for this DIY, first we'll take some oatmeal powder. Now this is directly from my kitchen guys, you can just use whatever you have in your kitchen. I'm also adding a little bit of milk to this because I do have dry skin, but like she mentioned, if you don't have dry skin you might want to use curd, or if you want you can completely skip the milk and straight move to rose water. So this is the rose water which I'm using. It's from a brand called Inatur. If you want to check it out, I'll put all the links of whatever I'm using in the description box below. So okay, I've almost finished this off. Just gonna pour this a little bit like this. And I'm also going to be adding a little bit of wild turmeric powder. So the brand that I'm using here is Alps Goodness. And as you can see over here, this product is pesticide and preservative free. And wild turmeric actually has a lot of benefit. It has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties. So just adding this wild turmeric powder right here. Also, I quickly want to mention guys, wild turmeric powder does not stain your skin. It does not make your skin yellow like normal turmeric powder, which is definitely a good thing. So right now we're just gonna use this as a face mask. We'll do the scrubbing later. Let me get back to you in about 10 minutes once this thing is all dried up, and then we'll move to the next step. So as you can see guys, my oatmeal mask has completely dried on the skin. Now I just have to make it wet, okay? So you can either use water or you can just use rose water like me. And now I'm just gonna scrub. You know what I really like about the scrub guys? The oatmeal, first of all, it's really soft, and because of all the milk and being in the milk for so long, it has actually softened even more. So it's a very good way of actually exfoliating your skin without being harsh on your skin. Even if you have sensitive skin, I think you can try this out. Just do a patch test. And here it is guys, the moment of truth. Do you see how great my skin is looking? Let's just zoom in the camera a bit. Let me show this to you. The skin actually looks so fresh, so clean. And now moving to the next DIY guys, this one is very simple and this one is from Nana James. Thank you so much for sharing this DIY, Nana. As you can see, I'm very excited to try this out. So for this, the first thing you will need is some rose water. So I'm actually using a rose water toner. This one is again from Alps Goodness, a cruelty-free product. And rose water is great guys. It's great for oil balance. It's great for hydrating your skin. It's great for just calming and brightening your skin. It has so many benefits. And you will also need some lavender essential oil. So the lavender essential oil I'm using here is from Purple, and this one is once again a cruelty-free product. Hey Lyra, Lyra is sleeping, she's not interested anymore. She's tired of all the retakes and everything. So yeah, lavender essential oil is again great for acne fighting, by the way. It's anti-acne. It's great for calming your irritated skin. And there's also something which you can, by the way, use on hair, okay? And like I said, cruelty free, so that's definitely an added bonus. So I'm just going to take a few drops of this and add a few drops of this into my spray bottle. So let's try this thing out. Guys, this thing smells really good, you know. However, on that note guys, if you don't want to go through the whole DIY, if you want a more shortcut option, let me just quickly recommend a product to you which I've been talking about for the last 1 year. I've mentioned this for so many times on my channel. Now this is the Alps Goodness Cucumber Toner, which is once again cruelty free, paraben free, and the best thing is that, you know, it's really good for people who have clogged pores. It's great for skin rejuvenating, for oil control. It has a lot of benefits. So once again, I'll put the link for this in the description box below. However, talking about all the oil control, where is my serum guys? I'm going to have to use a quick serum on my skin because, as some of you might be aware, my skin is actually very dry. So it's one thing to try out these things for me because I really want to try out this DIY. It sounded like nice and it's actually nice. I'm just quickly gonna apply a skin hydrating serum because my skin is extra dry. So the serum which I'm using here is the NY Base Skinfident Lit as Empire State Face Serum. This is a hyaluronic acid based serum. And the reason I'm talking about this serum today is because I know a lot of you guys are looking for hyaluronic acid serum. I keep getting these questions on my channel. They are usually very expensive. This one is actually not that expensive, and because it has a hyaluronic acid base, it actually leaves your skin really plump and really fresh. Okay, so I'm just gonna use a little extra of this today because of all the things I've been using on my face. This is also a cruelty-free product. Yes, all the products I'm talking about today are cruelty-free, and it works especially great for damaged skin, dullness, and if you just want a nice radiant skin, this is something which you can totally use. And for our last and final DIY, which is coming from Anshul, let's try this one out. So for this, first we're going to take a little bit of coconut oil. Okay, so here's a quick tip. If you have extremely dry and frizzy hair, just take more coconut oil. If you have normal hair, you can take less coconut oil. Just decide according to what your hair needs. I'm just going to go and quickly warm this up and come back. So here we have it, guys, warm coconut oil, to which we're going to add some Amla powder. So the Amla powder I'm using is from Vyam Ayurveda. They're calling this the Amla hair growth pack because Amla is actually great for your hair. It's also great for dandruff problems and things like that. So it's a cruelty-free product once again, and this only contains Amla powder, so it's extremely clean, extremely pure. So I'm just going to add, I'm just going to take all of this right here because why not? It's for my hair. And as you all know, Amla is also great for stimulating circulation and also for nourishing the hair. Since Anshul has not mentioned what else she has added to this mixture to kind of make it a paste, I've added a little bit of water and also gonna add a little bit of curd because hey, curd is absolutely amazing for your hair and scalp. And now I'm just gonna mix all of these ingredients really well. I'm just gonna apply this all over my hair and scalp very generously. I'm guessing this mixture will take about 15 to 20 minutes to dry, after which I'm just gonna shampoo my hair. And here it is, guys. I'm done washing my hair. Actually, it's been a couple of hours since I washed my hair, and all this while I've been telling myself that Prachi, just go sit in front of the camera and finish up that video already. But I just feel like I've been filming this video since morning today. This is the first time I'm doing a video like this. So, searching for the DIY, searching for all the ingredients, then trying them out. And by the way, on that note, I haven't done anything to my skin since then, okay? Like while I was taking my shower, of course, there was a lot of water on my face, on my skin, but I haven't really applied anything on my skin, so I really like how my skin is looking right now. Okay, now going back to the hair, guys, this DIY has worked beautifully for my hair. Let me show you this thing first. You see my scalp, it's looking squeaky clean. So if you have dandruff problems or if you have a lot of scalp infections also, this is something which you can actually use. This DIY is fantastic. And for the rest of my hair, the hair is soft, silky, shiny, bouncy. It's looking happy, so I like that. And now I'm going to pull my hair back for the rest of the video because I have too many split ends. Not going to the salon for so long or any hairstyling has really just made my hair look so blah. Okay, also on that note, guys, thank you so much to all those of you who have shared these wonderful DIYs with me. Love you so much for this. I love trying out new DIYs and I really want to do these kind of videos more often. So to my other viewers, everybody who's watching this, if you have any fun DIYs that have worked really well for you, please share them with me in the comment section below. I think instead of constantly buying new products, you should also look for some really new DIYs to add a little bit of fun to the beauty routine, and it's far more affordable, it's natural, so why not, right? Also, all the links will be in the description box below for whatever I have used. You can totally check it out. You can check out the reviews, you can check out what they're all about. And on that note, guys, while you're writing your comments, checking out the links, don't forget to hit like to this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to SuperWowStyle for more. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye.